Hello, friends. Today is our Class 22. Our topic today is the Shape Builder tool. This tool is available in the toolbar. Here we have created some shapes. First, we will select all the shapes. Then we will use the Shape Builder tool and drag over all of them. Now the shapes will be merged together and changed into one single shape.
These are two shapes. We will click in the center using the Shape Builder tool. The Shape Builder tool will separate the center part and also separate both side parts. Now let's separate them and see. Now we will draw a polygon. Then we will copy it. After that, we will make many copies using Ctrl+D. Next, we will select all the shapes. We will take the Shape Builder tool and, while pressing the Alt key, we will drag over the parts we want to remove. The extra lines will be deleted. Now there are two shapes. We will click on them separately, and both will be separated. Then we will select both shapes and swap the fill colors. Now it has changed into a design.
This is a shape that is not complete. One side does not have a line. Now, when we click on it with the Shape Builder tool, it will not work because the shape is not complete. When we complete the shape, then the Shape Builder tool will work. This is how it works.